how to play Wipeout. So I'm going to break this down the easy way. We're not going to worry about proper counting. We're just thinking about numbers right now. Play 4 notes. Right, left, right, left. Accent the first right. Do that 4 times. Once that's comfortable, you're now going to do the same thing, but with 2 groups of 6. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try and stick that together with the 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it's just another group of 4. Counting that many numbers as quick as the actual song is not practical, but it gets you moving and shaking in the right direction so you can get comfortable with how the pattern sounds, and then you don't have to count anymore. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how all these accents fall on the right. Now, move over to the floor tom and do the same thing, and you've basically got it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Sounds pretty good. If you feel adventurous, put a bass drum with all those right hand accents. And there you got it. Just remember with those accents, make sure the accents are loud, but the other notes stay reasonably quiet because it means we have some tasty dynamic contrast. Basically just means you can hear the accents clearly and it sounds tastier. And there you have it. Big love. Mwah.